In this lecture, I am going to discuss about the various grades of concrete, in which I will introduce you about concrete cube test, the three groups of concrete grades, types of concrete grades and their ingredient ratios, and uses of different grades of concrete. Before starting this lecture, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates in future. Grade of concrete is defined as the minimum strength achieved by concrete after 28 days of construction with proper quality control. Grade of concrete is the designation of concrete according to its compressive strength. According to Indian standards, concrete grade is generally represented by letter M, which is followed by a number, for example M20. The M represents mixed design of concrete and the number represents its characteristic compressive strength in Newton per mm square at 28 days, which is obtained from concrete cube test. Now the question arises, what is concrete cube test? The concrete cube test is performed for the purpose of determining the compressive strength of a concrete element. The cubes used for this test have a dimension of 150 into 150 into 150 mm. As per IS 456-2000, concrete grades are categorized as per their compressive strength based on cube test. Generally, there are three groups of concrete grades. The first one is ordinary concrete, which is represented by M10, M15 and M20. The second one is standard concrete, which is represented by M25, M30, M35, M40, M45, M50 and M55. The third one is high strength concrete, which includes M60, M65, M70 and M80. Let's discuss the various types of concrete grades and their ratio. The M10 grade of concrete includes a mix ratio of 1:3:6, in which 1 part of cement is mixed with 3 parts of fine aggregates or sand and 6 parts of coarse aggregate with adequate quantity of water having a compressive strength of 10 Newton per mm square at 28 days after mixing. M15 grade of concrete includes a mix ratio of 1:2:4, in which 1 part of cement is mixed with 2 parts of sand and 4 parts of coarse aggregate. For M20 grade of concrete, the mix ratio is 1:1.5:3, in which 1 part of cement is mixed with 1.5 parts of fine aggregates or sand and 3 parts of coarse aggregate. This type of grade has a compressive strength of 20 Newton per mm square at 28 days. The M25 grade of concrete has a mix ratio of 1:1:2 with a compressive strength of 25 Newton per mm square at 28 days. The mix ratio for concrete grades above 25 is not specified in the code. Hence, we need to design the proportion of ingredients for such grades of concrete, keeping in mind the economy in proportioning, strength and durability based on the construction site. The proportions resulting from the mix design are tested for their strength with the help of compressive strength test on concrete cubes. For example, for M30 grade of concrete, we need to prepare a design mix ratio and make calculations after performing tests on casted cubes from this mix. If the result exceeds 30 Newton per mm square, then we can adopt such ratio. Now let's discuss the uses of different grades of concrete. The M10 and M15 grade of concrete are used for PCC, that is plain cement concrete works such as bedding for footing, leveling course, etc. M20 is used for RCC, that is reinforced cement concrete works such as slab, beams, columns, footings, etc. under mild exposure conditions. M25, M30 and M35 grades are used for RCC works like foundations, footings, columns, beams, slabs, etc. M40 grade is used for prestressed concrete works in slabs, beams, columns, footings, etc. M45 and M50 grades are used for RCC works in runways, concrete roads, prestressed beams, etc. M55 is used in pressurized concrete girders and piers. M60 and M80 grades are used where there is a need of high compressive strength, such as in high-rise buildings, long span bridges, etc. These grades are used when the constructions are to be done in aggressive conditions. So this was all about this lecture. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates in future. Thank you.